Does TCL Roku TV have screen mirroring? Yes, TCL Roku TV supports screen mirroring, allowing users to wirelessly display content from their smartphone, tablet, or computer onto the TV. This feature is especially useful for sharing photos, videos, presentations, or even mirroring an entire device screen for a larger view. Screen mirroring on TCL Roku TVs is supported via Miracast for Android and Windows devices and AirPlay for Apple devices. 1. Screen mirroring support on TCL Roku TVs. TCL Roku TVs support Miracast and AirPlay to allow wireless screen mirroring from different devices. Miracast. Primarily used for Android and Windows devices, Miracast enables users to share their screens with the TV without the need for cables. AirPlay. Apple devices such as iPhones, iPads, and Macs can use AirPlay 2 to wirelessly stream content or mirror the screen to the TV. 2. How to use screen mirroring on TCL Roku TV. To use Miracast or AirPlay for screen mirroring on a TCL Roku TV. For Miracast, Android, and Windows devices. Step 1. Ensure your TCL Roku TV and your Android Windows device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. On your device, go to Settings and look for the Screen Mirroring option or Cast option on Android or connect to a wireless display on Windows. Step 3. Choose your TCL Roku TV from the list of available devices. Step 4. Your screen should now appear on the TV. For AirPlay, Apple devices. Step 1. Ensure your Apple device, iPhone, iPad, or Mac, and TCL Roku TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. On your Apple device, open Control Center, swipe down from the top right on iPhones and iPads, or click the AirPlay icon on Mac. Step 3. Select screen mirroring or the content you want to stream and choose your TCL Roku TV from the available devices. Step 4. Your screen or content will be mirrored on the TV. 3. How to enable screen mirroring on TCL Roku TV. To enable screen mirroring on a TCL Roku TV. Step 1. Press the Home button on your Roku remote to open the Roku menu. Step 2. Go to Settings, then System, then Screen Mirroring. Step 3. Set the screen mirroring mode to Always Allow, Prompt, or Never Allow, depending on whether you want to manually approve connections or allow automatic connections. TCL Roku TV supports screen mirroring through Miracast for Android and Windows devices and AirPlay 2 for Apple devices. This allows users to wirelessly share content or mirror their entire screen onto the TV. However, there may be limitations based on device compatibility and network conditions.